analytic service, if we can see the like Athena, that is also kind of like analytic service that we are easily able to do SQL query on S3 by using this Amazon Athena service. Like we are easily able to do like if you can we have a data in the S3, we are through this service we are able to do query on that through SQL, and we are grab the analyze those data. Okay, so that is kind of one of the analytics service. This AWS Glue is kind of like ETL service. We are able to do kind of extract, transport, and load operation on different DB services like DynamoDB or like Redshift and all those kind of database services. So we are able to access those data and process and transfer and load those data in some different formats. So it is kind of good inbuilt AWS ETL tool as a service. Okay. Kinesis is also kind of widely used service for a real-time streaming data processing. Whenever we have a heavy events and heavy load of traffic in the like event processing continuously a heavy traffic in a real-time environment. In that case, we are able to use Amazon Kinesis services. So it can handle those stream of data accordingly. Like we have three different services like particular in this particular section. We have like Kinesis data stream, Kinesis data Firos, and Kinesis data analytics. So Kinesis data stream mainly for real-time data capture. Firos is for load those real-time data, and this Kinesis data analytics for the, get insight in real time. So it is taking a real-time ETL kind of insights. Okay, so this is for a heavy traffic applications to real-time event processing. Okay, some some devices case we have a real-time event, some logs case we have a real-time logs, and all those kind of streaming processing we can do easily. The same way with this MSK, we are able to handle that. Streaming kind of things by using Apache Kafka. Okay. Quick insight is also kind of like analytic like we are able to see the quick insight in the form of different graph by using this service. Amazon Redshift, this Amazon Redshift is a fast, simple, as cost effective data warehouse service. This is a also good services when we want to distribute our load. Say for example, this Amazon Redshift is a kind of data warehouse services. Whenever we have a heavy traffic application in which we are using a lot of EC2 instance and RDS databases and as a primary database, and we want to distribute our load. Say for example, admin reports are generated from some data warehouse, and real-time operation happening on the client-side application that is happening in RDS relational database, and we are doing syncing of RDS database with the Redshift warehouse by using ETL or some kind of things. So in this, Amazon Redshift is really useful as a data warehouse, like when we want to do distribute our loads and we want to do some analytic operation queries, heavy queries on big data. So this Amazon Redshift is really helpful on those kind of application scenario. Okay, so this is a really good data warehouse and fast performer analytics service.